Right then, hello and welcome to another video. It's Monday the 18th of December, and we've got a bit of good news on the engine. We've got a bit more of a date, so it's coming around after Christmas. So that means we're going to start stripping down the old one. So yeah, so going to take the gearbox and the block apart, and then take all the, I don't know nothing about engines, so I won't even say what I'm going to try and do. I'm just going to strip it down, try and get the crank out and pistons and all that shit out. So yeah, let's see where it goes. This is a bit of the block I'm going to use for something, but that's a bit of a secret for now. That'll yeah, we'll get to that soon enough. So yeah, let's get stripping this engine block down. Excuse the eye as well, but before we get going, please like and subscribe. Check out my GoFundMe page to donate some money for the next future projects. So yeah, let's get going. You mini engine rebuilders are going to hate me for this. I don't need the studs anymore. So what you do, what I've done is made this little, put 2 bolts on the stud, tighten them on as tight as they'll go, and slacken them off with the ratchet, and that'll free it. So that's my little tip. If you don't need the studs, well, just put 2 bolts on there. And they're size 17mm. Get 17mm nut on there, put 2 of them on. So now we've got all those studs out, the next job is going to be to lift this off, put it on the floor, get rid of the gearbox, and then we've got to try and get all this off, and get the crank and the pistons out. So yeah, I know many people hate me for doing that, but I don't need the engine anymore. It's a bit of a dud, so we'll sort out. Courtesy of Minimac TV, wearing my latex gloves, doing the tree, especially when I got going for dinner and doing a bit of homework in a bit. I don't want to be coming in filthy scribbling myself, so they're working perfect. Cheers for that, Mini Matt. Also thank you to Kevin over at the Gentleman's Racing Club, I think, over in Isle of Wight or something like that. He's restoring a Mini Clubman GT, Bernie, so go and check him out as well. And he sent me over some proper goggles that are tight around your face that nothing can get in, so we'll be using those hopefully Saturday, and then the video will come out Sunday or Christmas Day. So that's the plan on the restoration of the Mini. So let's keep on going and then get this engine flipped over. Right then, so thank you very much for watching. That's the first part of the Classic Mini engine stripped down, so it'll probably be another part and that'll be it. So I've managed to get all the crank bearings off, the little C looking things, and got the pistons off. So all that I've got to do is somehow, yes, I've just got to crank off the bolt on the end of the crank, and then that'll be it all stripped down, and then I'll be selling the pistons crank and little bits like all the little bits are taken off for about a tenner if anyone's interested. I've got a unleaded head as well for the engine that I'm selling, so I don't know how much that's worth, 40 quid or something like that, I think. So I've got bits like that. So thank you very much for watching. I'll hopefully see you, well, it might be soon if I strip this engine down, but if not, it'll be, well, I'll be working on the Mini hopefully Saturday, weather depending, so probably Sunday or Monday next week. So a week today we'll have another video. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Please check out my GoFundMe page. Please donate as well if you want to see the restoration carry on and bits like that. But yeah, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.